Cement and sand floor preparation for tile installation, perfect base for ceramic tiles. In this highly detailed and professional tutorial, we take you through the complete process of preparing a strong, durable, and perfectly level cement and sand floor base that is essential before installing ceramic tiles or porcelain tiles. This stage is considered one of the most important steps in any construction or tiling project because the quality of the subfloor directly affects the final appearance, durability, and lifespan of the entire tiled surface. A properly prepared cement and sand screed ensures the tiles are installed on a solid, stable, and evenly distributed foundation. Without this critical preparation, even high-quality tiles and adhesives can fail over time, leading to issues such as cracking, hollow sounds, uneven surfaces, or tile detachment. This is why professional tile installers always emphasize the importance of floor preparation before any tile installation begins. Understanding the importance of a strong base before starting the actual work. It is essential to understand why cement and sand floor preparation is necessary. The base acts as the structural foundation of the tiling system. It supports all loads, ensures proper alignment, and helps distribute pressure evenly across the entire surface. In this video, we explain how well-prepared screed prevents future problems such as structural movement, water infiltration, and surface deformation. A strong base is not just about appearance, it is about long-term performance and reliability. Step 1. Site inspection and surface evaluation. The first step in any professional floor preparation process is a complete inspection of the working area. We carefully examine the existing surface to identify cracks, weak zones, dust accumulation, uneven areas, or any previous material that may interfere with bonding. Cleaning the surface thoroughly is extremely important. All dirt, dust, grease, loose particles, and old adhesive materials must be removed completely. A clean surface ensures proper adhesion between the old base and the new cement and sand layer. Step 2. Preparing the cement and sand mixture. One of the most important technical aspects covered in this video is the correct preparation of the cement and sand mixture. The ratio must be carefully balanced to achieve both strength and workability. If the mixture contains too much cement, it may become too rigid and prone to cracking. If it contains too much sand, the structure may become weak and unstable. Therefore, achieving the correct balance is essential for long-term durability. We demonstrate how to mix the materials thoroughly until a uniform and consistent texture is achieved. Water is added gradually to control the moisture level. The ideal mixture should be workable, smooth, and firm enough to hold its shape without being too dry or too wet. Step 3. Applying the screed layer. Once the mixture is ready, the next step is applying it evenly onto the prepared surface. The material is spread carefully in controlled sections to ensure uniform distribution. We show how professional installers use tools such as trowels, straight edges, and leveling guides to maintain consistent thickness across the entire floor. This step requires patience and precision, as uneven application can lead to serious issues during tile installation. Proper application ensures that the screed bonds effectively with the substrate and provides a strong foundation for tile adhesion. Step 4. Professional leveling techniques. Leveling is one of the most critical steps in this entire process. In this video, we demonstrate advanced leveling techniques used by professional tile installers to achieve a perfectly flat surface. Using a straight edge and spirit level, we carefully check the floor in multiple directions, horizontal, vertical, and diagonal, to ensure complete accuracy. Even the smallest deviation in level can affect tile alignment, especially when working with large format tiles. We also explain how to correct uneven areas immediately during the application process before the material begins to set. Step 5. Controlling thickness and slope depending on the project requirements. The thickness of the cement and sand layer may vary. In some cases, a perfectly flat surface is required, while in others, a slight slope is necessary for water drainage, especially in bathrooms and wet areas. We demonstrate how to maintain consistent thickness across the surface while also adjusting slopes where needed. Proper control of thickness ensures structural stability and prevents long-term deformation. Step 6. Surface finishing and smoothing. After leveling, the surface must be properly finished to create the ideal Texture for tile installation. We show how to smooth the screed while maintaining enough grip for tile adhesive to bond effectively. A well-finished surface improves adhesion strength and reduces the risk of hollow spots under tiles. This step is often overlooked by beginners but is essential for achieving results. Step 7. Drying, curing, and protection. Once the screed is completed, proper curing is extremely important. The cement and sand base must be allowed to dry gradually under controlled conditions. We explain how environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, and airflow can affect the curing process. Rapid drying can cause cracks, while insufficient drying can weaken the structure. Protecting the surface during curing ensures